Alright friends, now what I need to do is I need to eat something because I've swept the floor. I've done my Black Friday, my bougie holiday gifts. And I've been up a couple of hours and I haven't eaten. I'm hungry. So let's go see if we can take the elevator and get some food. Oh, I just love it. I did the air freshener on the Virgin Mary. It looks like this. The gardener's out there, mowing and doing the blow thing. What do you call it? The leaf blower. Anyway, this is what I used. I love it. It's 5 reviews from me. I already sprayed. There's a chair. I already sprayed the cool elevator. And here are my things that I'm going to work on my Christmas projects. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And I'm going to put this back there. It has a little tuck thing. Okay, so downstairs we go. And the elevator, I must say, helps so much with my heart, with my blood pressure, being able to use it sometimes to get around. It's great. So down we go. Close the door. Another elevator ride. It smells really nice in here with the air freshener. Wonderful. A light feeling. Stress-free light feeling. Close the door. All right. And a walk, barefoot walk. Going to get some food. As I get food, I want to show you my Christmas tree. I bet you didn't think I'd get a Christmas tree, but I got it. It's a Rosemary Christmas tree. Isn't it perfect for me? Isn't it cute? It's big enough, it's not giant, and I can bring it to my new house or here. It's portable. It's a portable Christmas tree. Okay, so let's look for some food. Let's see what we can get. I got this Pellegrino for holy water to drink and program it so I can drink that. I got these mixed, there's 18 bags, so let's pick one. I'm going to close my eyes and pick one. Let's see what I get. Okay, I got the Cheetos. All right, I got Cheetos. I'll just eat down here. I got the tortilla. I bought these. I bought these, I believe. These delicious croissants. I got this. This is popcorn. This is a popcorn. I got this beautiful little plant to decorate. I'll get in the kitchen. It's pretty. I got these glow balls. This Vietnamese stool, and then this Merchon one. Merchon rather. Yeah. Yeah. For my girls and boys. And then I got 30% less sodium traditional refried beans. I got chicken noodle-os. Oh, this is my favorite. I love this fancy crab meat. I got some cranberry sauce. We already did Thanksgiving, and we have the items out, and we just add to it. And I have this dried parsley. I like adding it to my food. Okay. So the kids already attacked the chocolate peanut butter. I smashed it that I bought. And then I have the chocolate chip one up there. The kids attacked it. They love it. The kids love Thanksgiving. They love Thanksgiving. Okay, I've got these, I have this. It was quite pricey. It was like $8 or $9. Yeah, it was quite pricey. This Sucker Punch Gourmet Pickles, but I wanted it. I wanted something bougie. Look at all the herbs. You know, it's right up my alley. Would make a good gift, huh? So I think I'll open that. And then I got this. This egg salad sandwich looked really good. Case free, looks amazing. And then I got this. I'm gonna eat this. From Safeway, cost $5.87 for the whole thing. This Chinese chicken salad has nice pieces of chicken in there. Good content of protein. Oh, someone bought a half and half. I think Fermi may have. That's new. I got myself a summer roll. I got another gallon of milk. I have 2 gallons of milk. I'll probably drink some milk. So let me pour a glass of milk. So let's get a glass. I think it's like a beautiful glass of milk or a cup of milk. Let's see. Let's try it in my new little holiday mug from Dollar Tree. Let me just put this down a minute. Give it a rinse. So, this is what Christmas is like here in Montana. Thanksgiving. After my dad's passing, you know, I wasn't always big into having parties. I'm more of a quiet person, so I'm gonna do it my way now. You know, I did it his way, and now it's my way. So I'm gonna have some milk. Stress-free way. It's gonna be my way. This way was a little stressful. And I was going around with, who knows if I have high blood pressure or many undiagnosed things. I was dying. I was killing me. Yeah. I don't like all the parties and stuff because of all the eating. I like to fast, do videos and walk and show my beautiful feet, you know, do stuff. And this is my way. It's more gentle, it's more kind, it's less abrasive. All right, it's definitely more energy. Of this, that, the pickle, the Cheetos. And I'll just go ahead and plate. I'll find a few more things and I'll plate it up for the next video. Bye-bye.